Hey guys. Today I'm trying a little different way to use dual forms with Builder Gel. I've already done the prep and shaping, so we're starting right from choosing the forms. Alright guys, after picking the right dual form size, I like to take a marker and draw my smile line right on the form. It just helps me see exactly where I want the gel to stop. So as you can see, I'm starting to apply the Builder Gel, right from that smile line I marked earlier. Make sure you apply the gel neatly, not too much, not too little, just the right amount. And don't forget to cover the sidewalls really well. Now place the dual form under the cuticle at about a 45-degree angle and gently press it down toward the free edge. Then cure just the cuticle area for a few seconds. That's enough. Now flip the hand over. Add a little more gel if you want extra length, just as much as you like. I'm using the same amount that's already underneath, and I'm just spreading it out inside the form. Make sure to fill those sidewalls really well. Add more product if you need to. If this is your first time watching my videos, I really recommend checking out my full Builder Gel Dual Forms playlist. Watch the whole thing, it'll help a lot. Alright guys, the free edge should be about 1 millimeter thick. Then, using a fine bit underneath, I'm just fixing the thickness and shaping it at the same time. If you're struggling with stamping, make sure to watch my stamping secrets video first. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that little bell, because there's a lot more coming your way.